MailChimp Newsletter tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for MailChimp.com in the search bar. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you do not have one, you will need to create first. After logging in, you will be directed to the home page. Go to the top left corner and click the Create button. In the options that appear, locate the regular email section and click the Design Email button to proceed. A pop-up window will appear where you should choose the basic layout option to continue. A set of variable templates will then appear. Choose one that fits your needs. For example, I choose this template. Once your project is ready, begin customizing by changing its logo. Then add a title and a short description at the top of the email. Move on to the middle section where you can replace the default image with one of your choice and include a paragraph just above the button. Lastly, customize your newsletter's appearance by adding background colors to match your design preference.